Quran teaches us that as God's noblest creation, humankind is entrusted with the stewardship of all that is on earth, and that each generation must leave for its successors a whole.
Just like maybe half an hour ago, it's been announced our new Imam, who is like Prince Rahim. This means that the transition is only physical. So we, being a spiritual children of our Imam, we believe in being spiritual. Believing in spirituality itself implies that we believe in the light. So for us, of course, he was a great person, great Imam of the time. But this Imam, in the meantime, is present for us in another form.